In this video, we are going to see how we can purchase any kind of office equipment or any kind of fixed asset by giving cash. As we have a transaction of 30th of January which says computer purchased or office equipment purchased basically by giving cash. The amount is 18,000, and since it's not mentioned that it is against our regular vendor, what we can do is just pass a simple journal entry for this, because this is not a repeated transactions against the bill. So we can use the journal entry as well. So let's head over to the accounting module, click on the accounting and click on journal entries, select new. In the reference, I can just copy and paste this. The date of transaction is 30th of January. I'll just keep it to miscellaneous operations, all good. Office equipment. We need to check whether we do have this account or not. Click on search more. I'll just drill down and click on search more. And you can also sort it by type so that you can easily find all the fixed assets. As you can see, we only have a couple of fixed assets. We need to create a new one. So let's create it on 171,000. Click on new. It's 171,000. I'll just post as office equipment, because office equipment is basically a major category in which we can add further assets, not just computer. We can add laptops, we can add different other devices in the office equipment as well. So the generic is best. Let's save this and let's copy and paste this narration, paste it in the labels. The amount is 18,000. On the debit, I'll just write 18,000. On the credit, we will just write cash, paste the same narration, all good. Just check everything is fine, and after that just click on post and it is shown as posted. So that's how it is done. You can immediately go to the reporting and click on the balance sheet to just make sure that office equipment is shown here. Here it is, plus fixed assets. Just open this up and we are able to see this office equipment recorded properly in the balance sheet. So that's how it is done. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.